How to fix Walgreens prescription problem. To fix the problem, first of all, you have to fix the app or website script glitches. So what you want to do is, if you are on mobile application or web browser, you simply have to clear the cache. So if you are on web browser, just like me, you simply have to tap on this lock-like icon right next to the address bar or the address. From here, you should be able to access the cookies and site data. Proceed to clear it by simply tapping on this trash bin-like icon. Once you do so, you simply have to reload the website. And this should solve your issue. Or if you are on mobile device, you simply have to open your device's app drawer, long press the application icon, then access the app info panel. From there, scroll down to the storage section and proceed to clear the cache. Once you do so, your problem should be fixed. Or also make sure that you turn off the VPN services if you have enabled it, and also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Once you fix all of these issues, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.